Awesome. So we have our development server up and running and we were able to finish this particular application. Let's undo this timer change to 2 seconds to 60 seconds. So we just made it 2 seconds just to test out our application. Let's make it 60 seconds once again. So now it is proper and this is working as it should be. So now let's go to the deployment steps. How? Very simple. Let's just install the GH pages. This we already did in the last section or the last video. Now what I want you to do is update your package.json with the home page. So just go to the package.json file and here just below this I am going to add my home page, and the home page will be the URL to which it is going to point. So for me, I have a custom URL set with this particular account. So for me, just for me, it's going to be http madhavbehel.tech//type. But for you, it will be your username, which is this one or this one, madhavbehel.github.io/your repository name. So you should definitely have a GitHub account. So once you have a GitHub account, click on this plus icon and then click on the new repository. Inside the new repository, type the name as /type. So /type and then the description as anything, probably my cool speed test app. And then I am going to create this particular repository. So I'm repeating this once again. For me, it is madhavbehel.tech//type, but for you, it will be your username.github.io/your repository name. This is the username and this is the repository name. Again, username.github.io/your repository name. Cool, this is awesome. And then just two last things. We need to add these two scripts in our scripts column, script section. So first one is pre-deploy. Deploy. The pre-deploy script is nothing but npm run build. And then the deploy script is nothing but gh pages -d build. Gh pages -d space build. As simple as that. What we can do now is we need to push this to our GitHub repository. I want you to copy and paste the address above here. Just copy this whole thing and go to your terminal and type in git init. This is the first step. This will initialize an empty repository inside your local machine. Then we need to connect it to our GitHub remote. How do we do that? Very simple. Git space remote space add space origin and the URL of your repository. That is also done. And now we need to add this. We need to stage our changes. Git add dot. So this will stage all your changes. Then commit git commit -m make the speed test app. Awesome. And then we can finally deploy it. Git push. But since it's the first time we are pushing, we need to set the upstream as well, which is git push -u origin master. And then it will push it to your GitHub repository. This is super cool. Let's go back to our GitHub repository and see whether the changes reflect there. The changes do reflect there. Awesome. And now what we can do is simply do this npm space run space deploy, and this will run our deploy script. Within a few seconds, your app will be deployed to GitHub pages at the same home page that you gave here. So as you can see here, my website is deployed to GitHub pages. Now I can go to this particular address and start playing around with it. So as you can see, it is now deployed to madhavbehel.tech//type. Let's do a quick speed test and then check how fast can I type and then end this video. Awesome. So my speed was 54 words per minute and my characters that I typed were 299. This is something awesome, and now I can retry and share it on Twitter. So this is awesome. This is our application. I hope you enjoyed building it along with me. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to share it on social media platforms, and don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/theleanprogrammer. See you in the next project next month. But before that, I might add some videos, the bonus videos on use effect hook in between. So stay tuned for that as well, because I promised you that I am going to help you convert that class-based component, which is app.jsx, into a functional component. So I am going to do that. Don't worry about that. But we are going to do that slowly so that you can also grasp the concept of API calling and the lifecycle methods that we learned today. And slowly we are going to go over the React hooks as well. So yes, see you in the next project, and don't forget to share it as much as possible. If you like this particular project, do give a thumbs up on this video and do share the playlist with your friends. Bye bye.